A tuple is a sequence. It's very much like a list. The primary difference between tuples and lists is that tuples are immutable. That means once a tuple is created, it cannot be changed. When you create a tuple, you enclose its elements in a set of parentheses. So list is using the bracket, but tuple is using the parentheses. And tuples support operations as lists, such as subscript indexing for retrieving elements, methods such as index, built-in functions such as len, min, max, and slicing expressions, and also the in concatenation and making multiple copies operators. And these are the methods that are not supported by tuple: append, remove, insert, reverse, sort, because these methods will change the sequence. The tuples cannot be changed. That's why these are not supported by tuples. So if the only difference between lists and tuple is the mutability, you might wonder why we even need tuple, since list is more powerful, more flexible than a tuple. One reason that tuple exists is the performance. Processing a tuple is faster than processing a list, so tuples are good choices when you're processing lots of data and that data will not be modified. Another reason is that tuples are safe. Because you're not allowed to change the contents of tuple, you can store data in one tuple and rest assured that it will not be modified either accidentally or otherwise by any code in your program. We can actually convert a tuple to a list and convert a list to a tuple using these two functions. List function will convert a tuple to a list, and tuple function will convert a list to a tuple.